Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some deep research about RichPush, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, how it works, the eligibility, some things about withdrawal, and many more important subjects about RichPush. So if you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day content like this. So let's get started. First of all, what is RichPush? Well, RichPush is an ad network based in Belarus. This is part of Rich Ads and a product of Platform LLC. This network helps to monetize websites with CTR, CPC, and impression methods. RichPush supports mainly push ads format, but it also includes pop-unders and native ads. Display ad format is also considered by the network. So I think you may wonder how it works. Well, publishers have to sign up for the first approval. The network will provide proper ad code and guide to publishers to implement it on the website or mobile app. Working time of management team is UTC plus 3 based 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. Each website or app have to be approved separately. When required, Firebase file have to be uploaded. This requires to create a Firebase messaging.js file and paste the code. Blogger or WordPress only need to paste JS code. No creation is required. HTTP format websites are not required to do this. Method of work is different ad format and different monetize method. For example, CPC method is used with push notifications, and CPM method is used with native ads. Network supports PPC method. Web revenue is generated on ads impressions only, and average CPC rate is $0.004. Some pros about RichPush. This network supports more than 200 countries. A large part of impression from different geolocation traffic is magnetizable. Fraud prevention technology verifies the traffic by ad score to prevent bot or fake traffic. This is good for both advertisers and honest publishers. A number of target options and tracking tools are available, which helps advertisers to get a better target and find proper publishers. And some cons: this network approves only those websites or mobile apps which have a minimum of 5,000 visitors per month traffic result. Publishers with small traffic will not get approval, and 24/7 support is not available. Everything is dealt with weekday office hours of their local time. Some restrictions about RichPush ads: anything like dating, erotic, escort, high risk or pyramid financial schemes, arms hate, illegal activities are all strictly restricted for both publishers and advertisers. Laws of England are applicable in this network, but the dispute can only be settled in Belarus courts. About a withdrawal, this network only supports capitalist web money and wire transfer for payment gateways. The minimum withdrawal for capitalist and web money is $10, but for wire it is $500. Payments are issued 2 times every month and bi-weekly frequency for 5 days. This is 1st to 5th and 20th and 25 dates every month. So guys, now let's take a look on their website here. As you can see, they have HQ push traffic, direct click, and in-page personal ad expert. So if you want to get started, just click here. They have reach global audiences, a subscribers list of 450 million plus people in 220 countries. You can reach new audiences at scale, run high performing ads, discover the format proven to gravitation. They have high CR, which is compared to the main redirect in page and pop traffic. PPC, only pay when a user clicks your ad, and 100% ad visibility and real human traffic. Here are some charts. So if you want to learn more about this paying advertising network, then you can go here on their website. They have an overview, cases, monetize, and blog. So if you want to get monetized now, click here and you will find more things about this. So if this video was helpful for you, you can like it. You can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this ad network, and I always post this type of content every day. You can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about Rich ads. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.